Hello students. Today's topic is saturated and unsaturated solutions and factors affecting the saturation or unsaturation of a solution. First of all, we should know what is meant by saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated solution means a solution in which no more solute can be added. In which no more solute can be added. Likewise, unsaturated solution in which more solute can be added. Before understanding this, I'll explain one more term, that is solubility. Solubility, actually it is the amount of solute which is soluble in 100 grams of a solvent. Suppose example लेते हैं कि 36 ग्राम of NaCl can dissolve in 100 grams of water. Here I have taken common salt, so I am taking here water as a solvent. That means कि ये 36 ग्राम जो NaCl है, कॉमन सॉल्ट है, इसको आप 100 ग्राम पानी में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अगर ज़्यादा डाल दिया तो, इससे ज़्यादा अगर आपने सॉल्ट डाल तो लोगे आप, लेकिन क्या देखोगे कि दैट सॉल्ट विल सेटल एट द बॉटम ऑफ द ग्लास, इट रिमेन्स देयर insoluble. Then we can say that the 36 gram is soluble in 100 gram of water. That means the solubility of sodium chloride in water is 36 gram per 100 gram. इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर हम सैचुरेशन या अनसैचुरेशन को ध्यान दें तो सैचुरेटेड मिक्सचर्स और सॉल्यूशंस आर दोज सॉल्यूशंस इन विच नो मोर सॉल्यूट कैन बी एडेड. तो ये सॉल्यूशन जब 100 ग्राम पानी में आपने 36 ग्राम सॉल्ट डाला तो ये आपका सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. अभी आप इससे ज़्यादा अगर डाल रहे हैं तो डिजोल्व तो होने वाला नहीं है. डिजोल्व होने वाला नहीं है तो वो सैचुरेटेड है. लेकिन अगर आप इस सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन में कुछ चेंजेस लेकर आए, जैसे इस सॉल्यूशन को अगर आप हीट कर देते हैं, पानी गर्म हो गया, पानी गर्म होने की वजह से आप 36 ग्राम से कहीं ज़्यादा सोडियम क्लोराइड को उतने ही पानी में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो क्या मतलब क्या हुआ इस बात का कि नॉर्मल रूम टेम्परेचर पे जो पानी था 100 ग्राम, उसमें सिर्फ 36 ग्राम डिसॉल्व होता है, और उसी पानी को अगर आपने गर्म कर दिया तो 36 ग्राम से ज़्यादा कॉमन सॉल्ट आप यूज में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हो. दैट मीन्स on increasing temperature we can increase the solubility of any solute in a particular solvent. So the two factors affecting saturation of solution, either you can increase temperature or we can change pressure. How we can change pressure? That pressure must be also increased. ये दोनों पॉइंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I'll give you a few examples. Your mothers are making sweets at the time of festivals and all. How they are preparing that sweet? By increasing the temperature of water maybe kept in kadhai in which the sugar is added in order to make चाशनी, sugar syrup. टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देते हैं तो क्या देखते हैं 1 किलो 2 किलो जो चीनी है वो आपकी थोड़े से अमाउंट 1 या 2 ग्लास पानी में इजीली डिजोल्व हो जाती है। जैसे मैंने कहा कि 36 ग्राम ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड को आप ऐड कर सकते हो 100 ग्राम पानी में, ऐसे ही सिर्फ 204 ग्राम of sugar can be dissolved in 100 gram. सौ ग्राम में 204 ग्राम से ज्यादा चीनी आप डिसॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. So it means the solubility of sugar is this much. But anyway, if you want to add more and more sugar in that, then there is one option. You can increase the temperature. If you increase the temperature, the liquid, what is liquid there, water you are using as a solvent, that liquid, by increasing in the temperature, the particles of liquid, they will be away from each other because the force of attraction will break. It means the interparticular spaces between the solvent, it will increase, and there more and more space will be provided for the more amount of solute to be added. So that is one of the important factor. The second, change in pressure. That increasing pressure also is a factor which is responsible for the solubility. How? Let us take an example. It is summer season and we know that all of us are very much fond of cold drinks. When you buy a cold drink bottle from a shop, and as soon as you open it, you will feel that some of the gases, fizz-like appearance will be there. Suppose you shake a bottle and open its knob, you will see a lot of bubbles will come out. Along with that, the liquid will also come out. Why it happens? Reason? Actually, those all are aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means they are containing gas in them. What type of gas? Actually, there the carbon dioxide gas is mixed. Why carbon dioxide is added? No, carbon dioxide gas is acidic in nature. If you have a Mirinda, Spirit and other cold drinks, maybe Coca-Cola, you will feel that they are little sour in taste. खट्टे होते हैं वो जो खटास होती है उनमें वो उसी गैस की वजह से होती है. And how that gas was dissolved in that liquid? Gases are dissolved in liquid with the help of increased pressure. And as soon as you open the cap of that bottle, first of all, that gases will come up on the top. So that's why if the bottle is opened with a opened from the knob before and after shaking of that bottle, तो वो आपका जो बहुत सारे बबल्स के साथ में गैस है जो सबसे पहले बाहर आती है और काफ़ी हद तक लिक्विड को भी बाहर लेके जाती है. Maybe you have seen in movies that the wine bottles when they are opened, lot of bubbles used to come out. That is also because of that also. So increasing temperature, change in pressure, both are the important factors which are responsible for saturation and unsaturation of the solutions.